Hey, what's up guys? Abel Andres here of Yugatech, and today we'll be going over some of the best smartphones you can find for just under 20,000 pesos. But do note that this list only covers phones that were released during the first quarter of 2022. Now, let's get to our list. First up, we have the Infinix Zero X PRO, which has an impressive 6.67-inch AMOLED display and a crazy 120Hz refresh rate. The Zero X PRO is powered by a MediaTek Helio G95 and an ARM Mali G76 GPU. The triple rear camera setup isn't a slouch either, with a 108-megapixel main camera and a 16-megapixel front-facing camera. Other features include Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, NFC, and while it does come with a dual SIM capabilities, it's capped at only 4G connectivity. It comes with a 4,500 mAh battery and an even 45-watt fast charging capability. But what's great about this is that the Infinix Zero X PRO is at the lower end of the price spectrum in this list, at just 15,990 pesos, and with that, you're already getting 8GB of RAM and 256GB of storage, which is plenty enough for everyday use. Now, I'd say that is great value. Now, next on the list is Xiaomi's POCO X4 Pro 5G, which was released sometime last February. It comes with a Qualcomm Snapdragon 695 and boasts of a large 6.67-inch AMOLED display and an impressive 120Hz refresh rate. The POCO X4 Pro 5G also comes with great battery life since it boasts of a large 5,000 mAh battery and it's even paired with a fast charger of 67 watts. But what truly puts the cherry on top of the POCO is that it comes with an impressive camera array. The triple camera setup features a 108-megapixel main and a 16-megapixel front camera, which punches above its class in terms of camera quality. The POCO X4 Pro 5G gives one of the best values you can find on a phone under 20,000 pesos. Most especially that it comes with 5G connectivity, and with its top variant coming in with 5G, 8GB of memory, and 256GB of internal storage for only 17,990 pesos. Next, we have the recently released Samsung Galaxy A33 5G. The A33 comes with Samsung's own silicon, the Exynos 1280, which provides great performance. It also comes with a 6.5-inch Super AMOLED display running at a refresh rate of 90Hz. It has a quad camera setup headlined by a 48-megapixel main and an 8-megapixel ultrawide. It also features a 13-megapixel front-facing camera. Other features include 5G, dual SIM capability, and a micro SD card support. What we're not too thrilled about this is that although it comes with a large 5,000 mAh battery, its fast charging capability is capped at only 25 watts. Running on Android 12, the Galaxy A33 5G can be had for just 18,990 pesos for the 6GB 128GB combo, or for 19,990 pesos if you want to bump that up to 8GB of RAM. Not to mention that it comes in a design worthy of a premium phone with some really clean and aesthetic color options. Okay, so released last March, the Realme 9 Pro has been a frontrunner in the sub-20K space due to the fact that it simply just provides great value for the money. With its snappy Snapdragon 695 and Adreno 619 GPU, it should be capable enough for most mobile apps and workloads. It also comes with a large 6.6-inch IPS display and can reach that quick refresh rate of 120Hz. The 9 Pro provides a much more premium design for its price and features camera quality that can even rival higher-priced phones, as its camera setup is led by a 64-megapixel main and a 16-megapixel front-facing camera. And at just 16,900 pesos for the 8GB 128GB package, the Realme 9 Pro would be a solid choice for anyone. Next, we have the OnePlus Nord CE2 5G. It sports a 6.43-inch AMOLED screen with a 90Hz refresh rate, and it's protected by Gorilla Glass 5, which should help with its durability. It runs on Android 11 and is powered by a MediaTek Dimensity 900 5G chipset paired with the Mali G68 GPU. It also has a solid triple rear camera setup with a 64 megapixel main and a 16 megapixel front camera. Other features include Bluetooth 5.0, dual SIM trays, and even dedicated micro SD card slot. It also boasts of an impressive 65-watt fast charging and a 4500 mAh battery. There is no doubt that OnePlus has produced solid budget phones throughout the years, and the Nord CE2 5G is no exception. You can find it for only 8,990 pesos with an 8GB RAM and 128GB of internal storage. The last but definitely not the least is the Pro variant of the Redmi Note 11 series, packing in a Snapdragon 695 chipset that is 5G capable, paired with an Adreno 619 GPU and up to 8GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage expandable via the micro SD card. This device sports a 6.67-inch AMOLED panel, up to 120Hz refresh rate, and 360 touch sampling rate under a Gorilla Glass 5 and IP53 splash proofing. It has a triple camera setup with a 108 megapixel main sensor and a 16 megapixel front camera. It's juiced up by a 5,000 mAh battery and a 67-watt fast charging via USB-C. Well, that wraps up our list of the best smartphones under 20,000 pesos. Just be sure to keep an eye on the phones releasing in the upcoming quarters of the year, and watch out for our upcoming videos as we kick up a notch with the best smartphones under 30,000 pesos. Just click on the link in the description section down below. Well, if you like this video, we'd truly appreciate your support by giving us a like. Be sure to also click on the notification bell to stay tuned for any of our future videos we upload. And don't forget to follow us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and TikTok. And be sure to visit yugatech.com for more tech news and reviews. Once again, this is Abe of Yugatech, and have a good one.